Alright, here's a couple more of my dark side Zippos. This one here we've seen before. Genuine made in the USA Zippo. Made last year. But let's take a look at a couple of new ones that came to visit. As always, these are genuine made in the USA Zippos. And this one is called the Fierce Skull. Yeah, and this one's getting a little bit harder to find than most Zippos. Genuine made in the USA, and this was made in 2011. Got a real nice Zippo sound to it. That's the Fierce Skull. He goes onto the dark side, or into the dark side, and the other one, another one, again, it's a genuine made in the USA Zippo. And this one's called, it's just called a Big Skull. And again, genuine Zippo made last year in the latter part of 12. Good Zippo sound. Yeah, and he is definitely going to my dark side collection. So there you go, a couple more dark side Zippos for your enjoyment. Knuckle bump.